So once you have all of the ingredients mixed in together well, then you want to unwrap your frozen pork tenderloin from the plastic. And you're gonna have to cut it off because it's frozen solid. And your pork tenderloin is going to be too long to fit into the pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a serrated knife and I'm going to cut it in half over on my paper. I'm going to place the two pieces that I cut it into side by side down inside the seasoning. And then we're going to cover the pot. Make sure that the release valve is open. I'm going to turn it to pressure cook. Press the button, and then I'm going to choose the time at the top, and I'm going to take it to 20 minutes. Press that. Make sure that you're on high, and then once you have everything that you want, then press start. And it may take a little bit longer to preheat because it's frozen, but it will not start the timing of the 20 minutes until it's up to the same temperature it would be whether it was room temperature coming out of the refrigerator or the freezer. So we'll be back whenever it's finished and see how it turns out. Once the time has gone up to 20 minutes on natural release, you want to release the rest of the pressure. Then open the pot and your pork is ready to serve.